Hello friends, good morning. Today I will show you how to fix Office 365 updating Office. Please wait a moment. Because most of the users they are facing this problem in Office 365. I am just showing the simple solution to fix this error. You will get this type of error. The application was unable to start correctly. Okay. Just click OK, then go to the control panel. Go to the programs and features. Over there Office 365. Click on Office 365, then click on change. And you can select the quick repair option. This is the method one, in that one you can fix the solution for Microsoft Outlook or Word. It will be not open with that. You can repair that one Office 365, then you can check. After repairing you can check your Office 365 is working. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.